इंडिपेंडेंस या स्वतंत्रता से क्या समझते हैं? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंडिपेंडेंस? व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस फॉर अस? ये एक मैं क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि हमने आजादी प्राप्त किए बहुत साल हो गए। तो इसका
Yeah.
हम महत्व क्या समझते हैं? आप सब सीनियर हैं, मुझसे ज्यादा सीनियर हैं आप लोग कुछ इसमें से।
British rule. We are independent means we are being governed by our own people.
Our own
Our
government,
The
our
government is
own rule, our
yes,
own rule. We are sovereign countries.
yeah,
Nobody
our
rule
own
us.
government.
We can make our own policies for the domestic policies or a foreign policies. Everything we
politics.
can. No one will pressurize us. Okay, that is for the country and in the family
Yeah.
also. If we misuse this independence, then that's not good. Just like in the just our country is going on, someone are misusing this independence or blaming the constitution or everything, that is not good. So we can teach our children what is the importance of independence, and we can
Independent.
having the we are having the fundamental rights, but as well as we are having fundamental duties. So
Hmm.
if we are having the rights, then we can follow our duties too. Okay, now अब हम चलते हैं अपने सेशन पर,
अपनी
इंडिपेंडेंस
सोच
डे
से
के।
भी आजाद होना चाहिए।
हाँ, अपनी
हमारी
सोच से आजाद
हमारी
होना
सोच से
चाहिए।
हम आजाद नहीं है।
सही है, सोच
जो
से हम अभी भी आजाद नहीं है।
अमीर, हाँ, अमीरी गरीबी की का
हाँ,
डिफरेंस है, और
बहुत
छोटे
सारे।
बड़े का डिफरेंस है, लड़का
हाँ
लड़की
हाँ,
का डिफरेंस है।
सोसाइटी में अभी काफी जरूरत है, सुधार की जरूरत है।
उससे, हाँ, उससे आजाद होने की जरूरत है।
हाँ जी, चलिए हम अपना आज का सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। देयर विल बी 51 क्वेश्चंस इन टुडेज क्विज। फ्यू क्वेश्चंस आर एमसीक्यू, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस हैं, एंड सम आर फ्री रिस्पॉन्स। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडेज क्विज इज, बहुत इजी बनाए हैं, जरूर आपको आएंगे। तो चलते हैं हम। We celebrated the dash years of Independence Day of India on 15th August 2025. Choices are 47th Independence Day, 75th, 77th, or 79th.
77,
79, 78.
75
77,
was not
75, or
77.
any
Actually,
other
it is
option?
78.
78.
8, 8.
78 is not the option. There are
चॉइस में
four,
77.
नहीं है।
there are
79,
four
you can
options.
take it.
77 or 79? 77.
There are
Seventy
two
nine.
options.
79.
Yes, who is
79.
saying 79 is the correct answer.
Correct
Because
answer. Yeah.
we got independence on in 1947, so this is our 79th Independence Day.
9.
Which
70,
was the
8
first
was
European
last.
country to start trade with India first? France, B. Britain, C. Dutch, or D. Portugal?
Britain,
Which was the
Portugal.
first European country to start trade with India first?
Portugal.
Portugal, yes. Shinin is
Portugal.
correct. Portugal is the बिल्कुल
Yeah.
correct answer है. When did
Portugal.
Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India? A. 1757, B. 1460, C. 1758, or D. 1498? कहीं पढ़ा हो आपने? इंडिपेंडेंस डे में?
1758.
Yes. What, Zain?
1460.
1758.
No. That correct answer is 1498.
98.
Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese explorer who discovered the sea route from Europe to India in 1498. He landed in India
98.
at Calicut on 20th May 1498. Now, next question is,
Calicut.
which Mughal emperor gave the right to East India Company to build trading posts and factories at Surat? A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Shahjahan, D. Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb.
East India Company
Aurangzeb.
from the Britain that time. Trading company. A.
Aurangzeb.
Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Shahjahan, D. Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb, I believe.
No, that correct answer is Jahangir.
शायद
I think
हिस्ट्री कम
जहांगीर.
आती है अब सबको शायद लग रहा है. When East India Company entered India, Jahangir was the Mughal emperor. In 1612, he gave permission to build trading posts and a factory at Surat. सबसे पहले सूरत.
सूरत में बराबर.
Yes.
भूल
Which
गए।
was the first fort built by East India Company in India? A. Fort St. George, Surat. B. Red Fort, Delhi. C. Fort St. George, Madras, means Chennai, currently Chennai.
Was the
Fort
first
Williams,
fort built?
Calcutta, or a currently Kolkata. Which was the first fort built by East India Company in India?
I think
Try,
Kolkata.
guess.
सूरत।
No, Surat
Kolkata.
is not correct answer.
डी डी।
That correct answer is
Kolkata.
Fort St. George, चेन्नई और मद्रास. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. कभी आप मद्रास जाएं तो वहाँ म्यूजियम
चेन्नई।
बहुत बड़ा है, उसमें क्लियर है. बहुत अच्छा म्यूजियम है मद्रास का, देखिए आप जाकर. ओके, नाउ फिर अभी भी हिस्ट्री के कुछ क्वेश्चन लिए हैं मैंने पहले, क्योंकि ये एक ट्रेन है हमारी जो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी से लेकर 1947 और करंट तक चल रही है, हम उसके ऊपर चल रहे हैं. विच वॉज द फर्स्ट मेजर बैटल फॉट बाय ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया
ब्रिटिश।
कंपनी in India, which was the first major battle fought by British East India Company? First War of Independence 1857, B Battle of Plassey, C Battle of Buxar, or D Third Battle of Panipat?
Battle of Plassey.
1850 से बैटल ऑफ पानीपत।
Third Battle of Panipat. That is not correct.
थर्ड बैटल नहीं,
मैं
अदरवाइज इट
आपको
इज
थोड़ा हिस्ट्री
पालसी।
का थोड़ा मैं हिस्ट्री
बैटल
की
ऑफ
इंफॉर्मेशन
पालसी।
दे देती हूँ.
Battle of
Battle of
बैटल
Plassey.
ऑफ
Plassey.
पालसी।
हाँ, Battle of
पालसी।
Plassey. That is in the
प्लासी।
Bengal. Plassey, yes,
बैटल ऑफ
famous place is
प्लासी।
there. Then Battle of Buxar in Bihar. Then third battle Panipat. There was three battle fought in Panipat. First battle of Panipat, second battle, and third battle. ओके, चलो एक क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ मैं आपको, इसके साथ बाद में इसका आंसर देते हैं. फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत फॉट बिटवीन होम? When after the first battle of Panipat in India, Mughal
मुगल
empire
मुगल या
established in
मुगल एम्पायर
1526. Okay, आप ये भी दे रही हूँ.
बिटवीन बाबर एंड
बाबर
somebody
एंड
else. And Babar and who was that another person? Taimur.
बाबर एंड इब्राहिम लोदी.
Ibrahim Lodi. Yeah.
बाबर एंड
Babar,
इब्राहिम
I knew.
लोदी.
Ibrahim Lodi, I forgot.
यस, बाबर एंड इब्राहिम लोदी. और
Yeah.
सेकंड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत फॉट इन
Palsi,
1556.
Plassey, Battle of
नहीं,
Plassey.
पानीपत के सेकंड बैटल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सेकंड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत फॉट बिटवीन अकबर एंड हेमू. आफ्टर शेरशाह
Buxar,
सूरी
Buxar.
death, Hemu became the Hindu ruler. So that second battle of Panipat fought between Akbar
Mm-hmm.
and Hemu in 1556. And third battle of Panipat fought between Marathas and Ahmad Shah Abdali.
Ahmed
And
Mughal.
after that, Ahmad Shah Abdali won the war, and Maratha disintegrated different states. And Maratha काफी वीक हो गया इसके बाद. तो अब हम वापस अपने क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. Which was the first major battle fought by British East India Company? The correct answer is Battle of
Buxar,
Plassey. Battle of
Plassey.
यहाँ भी
I
थोड़ा
said
सा मैं
one.
इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट आपको बताती हूँ.
Battle of Plassey.
बैटल ऑफ प्लासी के समय बंगाल के नवाब जो है सिराजुद्दौला थे. मेरे ख्याल से आपने पढ़ा होगा कहीं,
Sirajuddaulah.
सिराजुद्दौला. लेकिन मीर कासिम ने उसके साथ धोखा दिया और वो ईस्ट इंडिया
Yes.
कंपनी से जाकर मिला. अक्सर इंडियन हिस्ट्री अगर हम पढ़ते हैं तो हमारे अंदर के दुश्मन ही सबसे ज्यादा खतरनाक हुए हैं. तो यहाँ पर सिराजुद्दौला हार गया और मीर कासिम को ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ने बंगाल का नवाब बनाया. लेकिन कुछ ही समय के बाद वो मीर कासिम के ऊपर अपनी पॉलिसीज को थोपने लगे. तो मीर कासिम, अवध के नवाब और मुगल बादशाह जो दिल्ली के थे, ये मिलकर एक हो गए और ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी से उन्होंने लड़ाई करी, जो थी बैटल ऑफ बक्सर इन 1764.
662.
देन तो 70 बैटल ऑफ बक्सर वेरी फेमस. आफ्टर दैट ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी गॉट द बंगाल, बिहार, उड़ीसा से रेवेन्यू कलेक्ट करने का उनको राइट मिला. तो फर्स्ट मेजर बैटल फॉर्ट बाय ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, बैटल ऑफ प्लासी.
Plassey.
हाँ, इन 1757 वाज द फर्स्ट मेजर वन. ठीक है.
Third
तो
Battle of Panipat.
1757 के बाद 100 साल लगे 1857 के इंडिपेंडेंस के, आजादी का पहला युद्ध लड़ने में. और उसके बाद 90 साल लगे हमें आजादी लेने में 1947 में. फर्स्ट बैटल फॉट बिटवीन ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी एंड इंडियन रूलर 1757. And the first war of independence 1857, and we got independence in 1947.
47.
चलिए, अब हिस्ट्री की क्लास चल रही है लग रहा है.
वेरी अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
चलिए ये भी शायद कुछ समझ में आए. द लीडर एसोसिएटेड विद द फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस 1857 and their respective centers. Which pair is not correctly matched? Nana Sahab from Kanpur, B. Begum Hazrat Mahal from Delhi, C. Babu Kumar Singh from Bihar, Rani Lakshmibai from Jhansi. Which one is not correct?
Which one is not correct?
हाँ, which one is not correct? Which pair is not correct? अभी मैंने इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में आपको दिल्ली के बारे में बताया था.
Kanwar Singh, Bihar.
Kumar Singh, Babu Kumar Singh was Bihar is the correct answer. So that is not
Babu
the
Kanwar Singh, Bihar.
Begum Hazrat Mahal was the ruler of the Awadh, and currently Lucknow. Delhi, the Mughal emperor was there. So correct answer is Begum Hazrat Mahal, Delhi. Chaliye. When did India came under the direct rule of the British Crown? 1757, 1758, 1761 और 1858. बहुत इजी है.
India came under the direct rule of the
British Crown. अभी मैंने इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में हिंट दिया है आपको. फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस फॉट इन
1758.
1757 में जब वो, हाँ, 1858 is the correct answer here. 1858, the British Parliament passed the Government of India Act, which ended the company rule in India, and the country came under the direct rule of British Crown. ब्रिटिश के अंदर में आ गया. चलिए,
1858.
ये when was the first session of Indian National Congress held? इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस जो करंटली कांग्रेस है, इसी का पुराना इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस है, जो आजादी की लड़ाई के लिए इस्टेब्लिश की गई थी. इसका फर्स्ट सेशन जो है मुंबई में हुआ था. और एवरी ईयर सेशन होता है इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का, जिससे कि अपने चेयरमैन को या अध्यक्ष को चुन सकें. और अभी आपके कांग्रेस बताएंगे. नाउ करंटली इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस इज हैविंग हु इज द करंट chairman of the Indian National Congress currently?
1905.
नहीं, इसको तो मैं बताती हूँ आगे. चलिए क्वेश्चन पे ही वापस आते हैं. When was the first session of Indian National Congress held? Yes, Shirin is saying December 27, 1885. It is the correct answer. चलिए,
1885.
अभी मैंने यहाँ, where was the first session of the Indian National Congress held?
पुणे.
इससे पहले मैंने पुणे, दिल्ली, लाहौर और बॉम्बे.
I think it is in Pune.
It was
Lahore.
It was decided in Pune, but Pune there was a play, so they decided they arrange in Bombay. Currently in Bombay.
This meeting is in Bombay.
When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred?
1942.
1919, 1930 or 1942?
42.
That is not correct, Vanita.
1942 में
जलियांवाला हत्याकांड
1930 में 1930
केसरी 2 मूवी आप दोबारा देखिए सब लोग, हॉटस्टार पर है, तो आपको इस जलियांवाला बाग पर ही पूरी मूवी है, आप एक बार देखिए उसे दोबारा से, हॉटस्टार पर फ्री आपको देखने को मिलेगी. चलिए आंसर बताइए.
1930.
नो, दैट इज नॉट करेक्ट.
करेक्ट आंसर 1910.
That all option you gave. 13 April on Vaisakhi Day in 1919.
19.
Jallianwala Bagh. Yes.
19.
Yes. Which of the following Indian freedom fighter killed a British officer, General Dyer, in Britain? General Dyer was responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Lala Hardayal, बी मदन लाल धींगरा,
मदनलाल धींगरा,
सरदार उधम सिंह और सरदार भगत सिंह।
भगत सिंह, फूलिंग इन
आजकल
इंडियन
आप लोग
फ्रीडम,
द करेक्ट आंसर,
ब्रिटिश फ्रीडम,
करेक्ट आंसर इज सरदार उधम सिंह। बहुत टफ बनाया क्या? चलिए आगे इजी में चलते हैं।
सरदार उधम सिंह,
A great Indian revolutionary
ग्रेट
assassinated the British officer Michael Dyer, or known as General Dyer in London. He was responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre.
Yeah.
चलिए, which of the following title was given by the British government to Mahatma Gandhi, which he later surrendered during the non-cooperation movement? दोबारा से क्वेश्चन बोलती हूँ. Which of the following title was given by the British government to Mahatma Gandhi, which he later surrendered during the non-cooperation movement? A. केसरे हिंद, बी राय बहादुर, सी सर और डी हिंद केसरी. गैस कीजिए.
It is केसरी हिंद.
यस, बिल्कुल करेक्ट गैस किया है. इट इज केसरे हिंद. ड्यूरिंग द
केसरी हिंद.
non-cooperation movement, Gandhi ji appealed to
Yeah,
everyone to
Gandhi
adopt
ji
the
appealed.
policy of
Yes.
progressive, non-violent, non-cooperation movement. It included the surrender of all titles and government posts. Gandhi ji himself surrendered the title of Kaisare.
Yes, surrender the title.
Yes.
Yeah.
चलिए. During which movement Mahatma Gandhi gave the slogan "Do or die"? करो या मरो का नारा गांधी जी ने कौन से आंदोलन में दिया? ए. नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट, बी. क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट, सी. खिलाफत मूवमेंट और नन ऑफ दिस.
नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट.
नो, नो.
क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. इट इज क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट.
हाँ, मुंबई में क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट, भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन के समय उन्होंने एक आंदोलन चलाया अगस्त क्रांति मैदान से ही. अगस्त में स्टार्ट हुआ था in 1942. They started the Quit India movement and Mahatma Gandhi gave the slogan "Do or die."
Quit India movement.
चलिए, ये आंसर आ गया है. This picture is associated with which movement of freedom struggle of India? A. Indigo Planters movement, B. Quit India movement, C. Dandi March और D. खिलाफत movement. Yes, correct answer दिया. ये बिल्कुल correct है. Dandi March. Yes. Break the salt, to break the salt law.
Salt movement.
Okay. Who among the following was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of independence of India? A. Winston Churchill, B. Ramsay MacDonald, C. Clement Attlee or D. Lord Mountbatten?
Mountbatten.
Lord Mountbatten was the first Governor General. He was not the Prime Minister of Britain.
Then it was.
The correct answer is Clement Attlee. He was the Prime Minister that time. Which among the following did not participate in official events of Indian Independence Day 1947? First time celebrate कर रहे थे फ्लैग होस्टिंग, तब उस समय इनमें से किसने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया? ए. डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, बी. सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, सी. डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर और डी. महात्मा गांधी. Who was not participated in first Independence Day celebration?
Ambedkar?
No, that is not correct.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes.
No.
Answer is Mahatma Gandhi, because he was in Calcutta. Mahatma Gandhi did not participated in the official event of Indian Independence Day 1947. Instead, he marked the day with 24 hours fast in Calcutta.
Dandi March.
During the riots.
Fast in Calcutta.
Yes. On 15th August 1947, who hosted the national flag at Red Fort? No option.
Nehru.
Yes, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the correct answer. Yes, correct.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Chaliye. What does the three colors of national flag, saffron, white and green, represent? A.
Peace and
religion, peace and forest. B. Justice, peace or agriculture. C. Sacrifice, peace and prosperity. D. Religion, democracy and trees.
Sacrifice, peace and prosperity.
सभी सही आंसर है सबका. Sacrifice, peace and
prosperity.
Yes, it is the correct answer. Who is considered as the main architect of Constitution of India?
Ambedkar.
Dr. Ambedkar, no?
Dr. B.R.
Ambedkar,
Ambedkar.
Ambedkar.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It is
Ambedkar.
correct answer. Correct answer. Yes.
Bhimrao
Bhimrao
Ramji
Ambedkar.
Ambedkar.
Bhimrao Ambedkar. Who was the first? Listen carefully. Who was the first Indian Governor General of Independent India? Indian Governor General of Independent India. C. Rajgopalachari, B. Lord Mountbatten, C. Lord Dalhousie, or D. Mahatma Gandhi?
C. Rajgopalachari.
C. Rajgopalachari. Yes. Chakravarti
C.
Rajgopalachari was the first Indian Governor General of Independent India.
Gopalachari.
Yes. Yes. Correct answer.
Yes, correct. I'm right.
Okay.
According
Yes.
to the state
Now,
reorganization.
according to state reorganization, ये मेरे ख्याल से कुछ
They already marked.
स्टेट एंड यूनियन टेरिटरीज जब हमारी आजादी हुई तो उस समय जैसे ही कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना तो हमारे कितने स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरीज थी? हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स एंड यूनियन टेरिटरीज
You have already marked 14.
14 states and yes, already mark हो गया है. 14 states and 5 union. Okay.
Union
14
territories.
states and 5 union territories. Or now
14
we are having how many states and
14
union territories?
29 states, 7
29.
unions.
29 and 7.
No, how many states we are having currently?
Now 29, no?
No.
No,
we are
no,
now
it is not
having
29, 11
30
states.
additional.
28 states and 8 union
Okay, one is
territories.
gone.
14 states.
Okay. Now 28 states and 8. और what are the 8 union territories? Okay, एक एक करके बताएंगे. वनीता जी एक पहला आप बोलिए. Any union territory?
Pondicherry.
Pondicherry. Okay. Shirin?
Yes. What
Union
I
territory.
can't get it only.
Delhi.
Can't get
Union, we are having 8 union territories. First, Vanita told that gave the answer that Puducherry. Okay. Any other?
Pondicherry.
Pondicherry हो गया, पुडुचेरी हो गया. और
Goa. Goa.
Goa.
No, Goa is
Goa is
now
a state.
become
Now Goa
a
is a
state.
state. Goa is a
State.
state.
मेरे पास आता ही
Before it
नहीं.
was.
Let me think.
Now we are having Andaman Nicobar Island,
Okay.
Chandigarh, Dadra
Okay.
Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu,
Yeah,
Ladakh,
correct.
the
Okay.
government of NCT of Delhi, National Capital
Oh.
Territory of Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Lakshadweep,
Uh-huh.
and Puducherry.
Pondicherry.
These 8 are union territories.
Chandigarh,
Okay.
Dadra, Nagar,
हाँ.
Ladakh, Jammu
Clear है
Kashmir,
सबको?
Lakshadweep, Puducherry.
याद रखिए, अपने बच्चों को बताना है थोड़ा तो.
हाँ, जम्मू कश्मीर में कोई याद था?
हाँ. Who was
Who
the
was the
first
first
president of
president?
India and
Dr.
in which year
Rajendra
he
Prasad.
became the president? हाँ, yes, Sonia?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Yes, Dr.
Yes, sir.
Rajendra Prasad, and he
In which
became
year?
the president
1950.
in
Okay.
1950. Yes.
Sometimes
Which
it
of
was
the
not
following
coming
citizen
because
of Pakistan is awarded the Bharat Ratna Award? Which of the
Bharat
following
Ratna
citizen of
Award.
Pakistan is awarded the Bharat Ratna Award? A. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, B. Benazir Bhutto, C. Muhammad Iqbal, or D. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan?
Muhammad Ali.
Abdul Ghaffar Khan.
Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, yes.
Khan.
He known
Abdul
as the
Ghaffar Khan.
Frontier Gandhi also. And answer is
Yeah.
Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Yes.
Khan.
Khan
Abdul
Abdul
Ghaffar
Ghaffar Khan. Okay.
Choose out the odd one. कौन सा है जो बाकी सबसे नहीं मिलता है? ए. डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह, बी. रामनाथ कोविंद, सी. चंद्रशेखर,
Ramnath Kovind.
डी. वी. पी.
Ramnath Kovind.
Ramnath Kovind.
Chandrasekhar
बाकी
BP.
3
All
प्राइम
the
मिनिस्टर
prime
थे.
ministers.
रामनाथ
Rest all
कोविंद
the
was
prime
the
ministers.
Ramnath
president.
Kovind.
Yes, correct answer.
Rest all the
Correct.
prime
Yes.
ministers.
Sonia and Shirin, correct answer. Now, who am I? I am asking the
Who am
question
I?
and you can tell the answer, correct answer. Who am I? Okay.
Yeah.
We ruled Goa before it was integrated into India. Who are we?
Portuguese.
Portugal.
Yes, we are
Portugal.
Portuguese.
Portugal.
Correct answer.
Portuguese.
Correct answer.
We
We
ruled
ruled
Maharashtra.
Mahe before it was integrated into India. Who are we?
Who ruled Mahi?
Puducherry. Mahe is the part of the Puducherry now.
Okay.
Oh, that
There
is-
also Portuguese were there. Portuguese were there.
No.
No?
This one, French.
पुडुचेरी में
French,
सारी
okay.
जो आर्किटेक्ट है ना वो किस तरह की
French.
बनी हुई है? अगर कभी आप गए हो तो डेट आर द फ्रेंच आर्किटेक्ट.
French. Okay.
फ्रेंच आर द रूलर. तो
French.
these are the
Pondicherry,
part-
okay.
yeah, fine. चलिए
French.
नेक्स्ट.
Okay.
No, it was not French.
My name
My
was
name,
Manikarnika.
Uh,
My name was Manikarnika, and I was a prominent face in the first war of independence, 1857. Can you identify
Can you
me?
identify me?
Mani,
Who are I?
Karnika.
Lakshmi.
Manikarnika.
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 झांसी लक्ष्मीबाई.
Mine झांसी की रानी
लक्ष्मी
लक्ष्मीबाई. यस,
लक्ष्मीबाई.
झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई.
हाँ.
करेक्ट आंसर दिया है.
Rani Lakshmibai.
हाँ. I was the last
I was
Mughal
the
emperor
last
of India,
Mughal emperor
ruled
of
from
India.
1837 to 1857. I was poet, musician, and calligrapher. Died in November 1862 in Rangoon. Who am I? आपको
Last
मुगल
Mughal
बादशाह का
emperor.
नाम बताना है. लास्ट मुगल एम्परर.
Mughal emperor. Musician.
He was poet, musician, calligrapher. लास्ट मुगल एम्परर. बड़ा इजी आंसर है.
I
ट्राई
thought all
कीजिए.
say
Akbar? No.
आंसर इज
Bahadur
बहादुर शाह
Shah
जफर.
Zafar.
Yes,
Bahadur
बहादुर
Shah
शाह
Zafar.
जफर.
No idea.
Yes,
I didn't have any
बहादुर
idea.
शाह जफर. I was a freedom fighter and known as the Nightingale of
Sarojini
India.
Naidu. Sarojini Naidu.
Yes, correct
Sarojini
answer.
Naidu.
Yes, correct answer. That is Srimati Sarojini Naidu. चलिए. I said, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it.
Lokmanya
Who am I?
Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak.
Lokmanya Tilak.
बाल
Yes, Lokmanya Tilak.
लोकमान्य बाल
Swaraj is my
गंगाधर तिलक.
birthright
ये
and I
आंसर
shall
इजी
have
लग
it.
रहा है सबको.
Lokmanya
जबकि
Tilak.
कोई चॉइस नहीं है.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
I have
I have
written the
written the
song
song.
सारे
बाल
जहां से
गंगाधर.
अच्छा. Who am I?
Who am I?
इकबाल.
Mohammad Iqbal. Yes.
Mohammad Iqbal. Okay.
Okay. I was the
I was the
longest serving
longest
Prime Minister of
serving
India.
Prime
Jawaharlal
Who am I?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Pandit Nehru. Yes,
Jawaharlal
Jawaharlal
Nehru.
Nehru. The longest service
Okay.
Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal
Pandit
Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Also the first Prime Minister whose tenure lasted 16 years and 265 days.
महात्मा
Oh,
15th August 1947,
Gandhi.
May 1962.
okay.
Right, and I should have it.
The longest.
Next. I was the
Jawaharlal
first
Nehru.
and only woman Prime Minister of India. Who am I?
Indira Gandhi.
I know when I
Already,
know
already.
this, but I can't
Yeah.
get it.
Indira
Mrs.
Gandhi.
Indira
Already
Gandhi.
disclosed.
Yes. चलिए. I was the first and only Prime Minister of India in Indian history who never faced Parliament. Who am I? He was the peasant leader, किसानों के
Shastri.
आंदोलन के नेता थे. Yes, Sonia, try. Never
Shastri
faced the
sir.
Parliament.
Rani
जैसे Prime Minister
Lakshmibai.
बने
और
तो Prime Minister बनाया गया और फिर
लाल बहादुर
लोकसभा के.
शास्त्री.
हाँ जी.
इंदिरा गांधी.
Any
लाल
guess?
बहादुर.
No,
Lal
no.
किसानों के
Bahadur
नेता थे.
Shastri. I think. No. Of the
चौधरी चरण
first and
सिंह.
only
Lakshmibai.
Prime Minister.
Charan
चौधरी
Singh.
Charan
चरण
Singh.
सिंह.
Okay.
चौधरी चरण
Chaudhary
सिंह.
Okay.
Charan Singh.
Yes,
Okay.
in 1979, Morarji Desai resigned.
I resigned.
His associate Charan Singh briefly held office and he never faced the parliament.
Never faced
The Congress won the election in
one
1980 and Indira Gandhi returned as a prime minister.
Prime Minister. Okay.
And Indira
चलिए,
Gandhi.
कोई आंसर भी आ गया.
From India, born in
I am the only
independent.
Prime Minister of India born in independent India
Charan
and the
The
Singh.
longest
longest
service
serving
not
Narendra
Congress
PM of India.
PM of India. Who am I?
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi.
26 May 2014.
He may even cross
Non-Congress
16 years.
Narendra Modi.
Non-Congress Prime Minister.
He may even cross 16 years and become the first Prime Minister.
I was the first Home Minister of India and known as Iron Man of India. Who am I?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Yes, Sonia.
Sardar
आज
Vallabhbhai
दुनिया छाई.
Patel.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Good answer. I was the longest serving president of India. Who am I?
Oh.
Longest
Longest.
serving president of India.
Abdul Kalam,
Same.
no?
Just like
Abdul Kalam.
Prime Minister, first Prime Minister of India. He was the longest
President. Okay, Rajendra Prasad.
Kalam.
Dr.
Kalam.
Rajendra Prasad. Yes.
Dr.
Dr.
Rajendra
Rajendra
Prasad
Prasad was the longest serving president of
Prime
India
Rajendra
from
Prasad.
1952.
It was the
1952.
Rajendra Prasad.
Okay.
चलिए, I was given. Next
Okay,
question
next.
is: I was given the
Jai-
slogan of
Lal
Jai
Bahadur
Jawan, Jai
Shastri.
Kisan.
Lal Bahadur
Lal
Shastri.
Bahadur Shastri.
Yes, I was given the slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan during the Indo-Pak War of 1965. Who am I? तो आंसर
लाल
आपने
बहादुर
पहले दे दिया,
शास्त्री.
लाल बहादुर शास्त्री.
Lal Bahadur
ये
Shastri.
बहुत इजी आंसर है, जरा ध्यान से सुनिए. I was the Prime Minister of India for shortest tenure from 13 days in 1996.
That was this
Then
long.
again for 13 months in 1980, 1998 to
This one.
1999.
That
Later,
poet.
later
I
I
couldn't get
became
his
the
name.
Prime Minister on
Shekhar,
19 March
Shekhar.
1998, and I was the first non-Congress PM
I'm not
who
getting his
completed
name.
a full term as PM. Who am I? हाँ बोलिए.
I know this answer,
Shekhar.
but I'm not getting his
बोलिए
name.
बोलिए आंसर.
उसका
Shekhar,
नाम
Shekhar,
tip of the tongue.
हाँ जी.
Shekhar.
अपना poet.
Poet. He was poet. Yes.
Yeah, I'm not
Goyal,
getting his name.
Goyal.
उसका
सोचिए.
ये भी बना है लॉन्ग
जिनके नाम
ब्रिज.
पर अभी
अटल
कश्मीर
अटल
में एक बहुत
अटल
बड़ी
अटल
टनल
सेतु.
भी बनी है.
अटल
हाँ.
अटल बिहारी
अटल
Must
बिहारी
वाजपेयी.
वाजपेयी. अटल बिहारी.
Vajpayee.
सेतु याद आया मेरे को.
Atal Bihari.
हाँ.
Only
चलिए.
days, huh?
I was an Indian politician, philosopher, and statesman who served as the second president of India from 1960 to 1967. Previously, I served as the first vice president from India from 1952 to 1962. I was the second ambassador of India to the Soviet Union from 1949 to 1952.
After
Who am I?
president of
We celebrated his birthday in his
Venkataraman.
school and college.
School and college. Radhakrishnan.
Dr. Radhakrishnan. Yes.
Radhakrishnan.
We celebrated
Dr.
her
Radhakrishnan.
birthday as 5th
5th
September as the
5th
Teachers' Day.
September.
As a
Teachers'
Teachers'
Day.
Day, we celebrate his birthday.
Yeah, 5th September.
Okay, I was the first Sikh president of India from
Gyani
20 July
Dr. Jail Singh.
Zail Singh.
to
Gyani
1987. Who
Singh.
am I? Hanji?
Gyani
Jail
Zail
Singh.
Wow, good answer,
Gyani
Vanita.
Jail
Gyani
Singh.
Jail Singh is the correct answer.
Yes.
I was the first bachelor scientist president of India who
Kalam.
completed term 25th July
Abdul
2000.
Kalam. Dr.
25th July
Abdul Kalam.
2000. Dr.
Dr.
APJ
Abdul Kalam.
Yes, correct answer.
AJ
सबने
Abdul
दिया answer
Kalam.
इसका. I was the first woman to become the president of India. Who am I?
What's her name?
Sochi.
Pratibha Patil.
Pratibha
Yes,
Pratibha
correct answer.
Patil.
Pratibha Patil. Yes,
Pratibha Patil.
I was the teacher, then became the politician, and now I am 15th and current president of India
Pratibha
since
Patil.
25th July 2022. Who am I?
This one.
Murmu.
Draupadi Murmu. Yes, Srimati Draupadi Murmu.
Draupadi, President Murmu.
ये बड़ा
Draupadi,
इंटरेस्टिंग
okay.
क्वेश्चन है. देखिए, I was the vice president of India and chairman of Rajya Sabha from 2022 to 2025. On 21st July 2025, I resigned as vice president of India for health concern.
Dhankar.
Yes, answer is Jagdeep Dhankar. Chaliye, next question.
Okay.
I hosted the national flag during national level Independence Day function in 2025 at Red Fort.
At the Red
Who am
Fort.
I? Who am I?
National flag अपना Modi must have hosted,
Narendra
na?
Modi.
Yes,
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi.
Yeah.
I killed Mahatma Gandhi on 30th January
Godse,
1948 outside Bill House in New Delhi. Who am I?
Godse.
Yes, Sonia Pulli.
Godse.
Yes, answer is Nathuram Godse.
Nathuram Godse.
Now, last question of today's quiz is, I am an Indian politician, agriculturalist, and social worker. I am a current speaker of the Lok Sabha. I served as a member of Parliament Lok Sabha from Kota Bundi constituency in Rajasthan since 2014. Who am I?
Sangram.
He is a currently Lok Sabha speaker.
Okay, yeah.
Manage the Lok Sabha.
No.
In Rajasthan.
नाम सोचिए. लोक सभा स्पीकर जो हम टीवी पे अक्सर देख रहे हैं आजकल. पिक्चर भी है, देखिए.
अच्छा.
करेक्ट आंसर इज ओम बिरला.
Om Birla.
Om Birla ji.
Om Birla.
Okay. I hope that all of you enjoy this quiz.
Yeah, very much.
Good.
We enjoyed.
Very good.
We enjoyed very much. Very much.
Thank you.
Congratulations to all of you.
Nice.
बहुत knowledge मिली, बहुत
Very
knowledge
much.
मिली.
अच्छा लगा.
We meet you again. We'll meet you again.
Thank you.
बहुत
We
इस week
enjoyed.
बहुत ज्यादा थी.
Thank you
We
very much.
enjoyed.
क्वेश्चन
Thank you. Thank you. We'll see you again.
रिलेटेड
We'll
क्वेश्चन
meet
थे तो शायद
again.
आपको कुछ बोर लगे हो. तो
नहीं. We'll meet again.
It
We
was
enjoyed.
Enjoy.
That
We enjoyed
रिवाइव
very
हुआ,
much.
सब नॉलेज रिवाइव हो गया जो हमने स्कूल में पढ़ा था।
हाँ रिवाइव हो गया, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
हिस्ट्री को थोड़ा सा
और इंडिपेंडेंस
ये
डे
सब
पे
हम
हुआ
स्कूल
तो
में
इसलिए
पढ़ा
बहुत
था।
अच्छा हुआ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Yes.
हिस्ट्री
We meet
थैंक यू
again.
वेरी
अच्छा
मच।
लगा कि वैसे
बहुत
डे बाय डे हम थोड़े कम होते जा रहे हैं। मैं खुद भी रेगुलर नहीं हूँ, लेकिन अच्छा
हाँ
लगा कि आपने काफी आंसर्स दिए,
बहुत अच्छा
ट्राई
लगा,
किया।
मगर
बहुत
आप
अच्छा लगा।
अच्छा
आप
लगा।
स्पीड कम कर रहे हैं तो
Thank you.
ज्यादा अच्छा
Come
रहेगा।
again. Come
मैं
again.
स्पीड कम कर
सबकी
रहे
अपनी
थोड़ा
अपनी
सोचने का
समस्याएं
टाइम।
हैं। बहुत अच्छा लगा, आपने बहुत
बहुत
आंसर
अच्छा,
दिए।
बहुत अच्छा.
अब इसी
Pushpanjali,
तरह से
thank you
आगे
very,
बढ़िए।
very much.
Reviving our
Always.
history and everything.
Thank you very,
साले
very much.
Reviving our history. Come
Thank
थैंक
again.
यू।
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Once again, happy Independence Day. Enjoy
Yeah.
this day always.
Thank you. Thank you.